Follow these simple steps to apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card and start earning rewards. Step 1. Check eligibility. Ensure you're a Costco member, at least 18 years old, and have a good credit score. Step 2. Prepare your info. Have these details ready. Personal info: name, address, email, phone. Social Security number, SSN. Employment and income info. Costco membership number. Step 3. Visit the application page. Go to Costco's official website, www.costco.com, and search for Costco Anywhere Visa Card. Click on the application link. Step 4. Fill out the application. Complete the online form with your personal and financial details, and enter your Costco membership number. Step 5. Review terms. Read the card's terms and conditions before submitting. Make sure you understand the rewards, fees, and interest rates. Step 6. Submit your application. Click Submit to send your application. You'll get an immediate response or be notified within a few days. Step 7. Wait for approval. If approved, expect your card within 7 to 10 business days. If denied, you'll be notified. Step 8. Activate your card. Activate your card online or by phone. Once activated, start using it at Costco and everywhere Visa is accepted. Step 9. Enjoy rewards. Earn 4% back on gas, 3% on restaurants and travel, 2% on Costco purchases, 1% on everything else. Your rewards are sent as an annual certificate. That's it. Now you're ready to apply and start earning rewards with the Costco Anywhere Visa Card.